one of the good ways to make money online without investing anything in online business. Today in this article, you get to know about top paper download sites, and how we can make money with paper download websites. You will also see some of the best PPD networks. There are so many PPD sites on the internet, some are good, however, all are not genuine. So we have listed some of the best PPD sites for you today in this article. For making money from PPD sites or through PPD marketing, you don't need any programming or advanced online marketing skills. It's the one of easiest and quickest way to make money online without any investment. It does not cost anything, or you can say it's free to start making money online with PPD networks. Most of them give easy approval to newbies. Paper download marketing is simple to start, which doesn't need any skill or significant investment. It can become a good source of passive income from the internet if you do it correctly. What is paper download websites? PPD stands for Paper Download. These are a site that pays to file owner when somebody downloads uploaded files from their platform. You are only required to upload files to PPD sites. After that, it pays back per download. You can upload anything that you have the copyright of, for example, photos, articles, PDF files, e-books, application, software, etc. However, some websites also allow copyrighted illegal stuff. Some of the paper download sites are fraudulent and don't pay back money to their uploader. So avoid working with such types of paper download sites. In this article, you will see some of the best PPD websites for making money online. How paper download websites work. PPD marketing offers the opportunity to make money online. You can upload all your downloadable like e-books, PDF files, software, files, or any digital product you want to distribute to your community. First, you need to sign up for any paper download site or paper download network. Then you need to upload files that you want to distribute to your traffic or community. When your visitor visits your link, they will be directed to the PPD network from where they can download the file. How much you can make from paper download? On average, you can expect to make from somewhere around $1 per download with survey-based PPD networks. If you have uploaded file to paper download site that doesn't offer survey before download, you can expect per download earning as low as 2 cents per download. However, download are more with paper download without a survey because there is no download barrier, so overall, you tend to make more even with less per download rate. 9 Regal Paper Download Sites 2021. https://www.uploadforever.com/ 1. UpForever. UpForever is free cloud storage where you can upload any file. It's an Arabian site for profit from uploading. It offers high rates per download. UpForever pays up to $7 per 1,000 download. It offers the best rates per download. You can expect somewhere between $3 to $7 for per 1,000 download depending upon the downloader's country. You can upload your files like photos, music, videos, softwares or documents from making money sharing files. Even if you don't want to make money from downloads, still you can use this site for uploading your files and sharing them for free. It's an easy way to share your files. Minimum payout $1. Payment method PayPal, Western Union, bank transfer. Payout time required within 24 hours. Desktop uploader yes. Mobile app, yes for Android. Download rates $3.7 depending on downloader country. Referral program -10%. File upload. File upload is a file hosting service that offers remote backup and online storage. You can host any type of files like images, audio, videos here. It has one of the best paper download programs. You can make around $3.7 per 1,000 downloads depending on the downloader's country. Just like any other paper download site, you need to register before you can start making money. First, you need to register, then upload your file, then grab a link, and share it with others. When other people download your files, you will start generating money. Not only can you earn per download, but you can also make money by selling your file on FileUpload. For selling your file, you need first to fix the price for each file. When you sell your file through FileUpload.com, you can make 80% of sales, while FileUpload sites take 20% of it. Pornography, copyrighted material not allowed. Minimum payout $1. Payout time required 1 to 7 days. Payout method: PayPal, WebMoney, Bitcoin, Payoneer, Neteller, Skrill, MoneyGram, Western Union and several others. Desktop uploader: yes for Mac and Windows. Mobile app: no. Download rates $3.7 depending on download or country. Referral -20%. $Upload. $Upload is another paper download site. It has 3 programs: Paper Download, CryptoLocker and OfferWall. Paper Download helps make money by offering a simple survey to your visitor. Visitors are required to complete the survey before they can begin to download. CryptoLocker: you can lock your content using the CryptoLocker. Users can pay in cryptocurrencies to unlock the content. With a CryptoLocker, you can set the rate you want for unlocking your content. OfferWall: you can find various offers like download an app, survey, sign up for a website. When the user that you sent completes such offers, you get paid. Download rates $1 average on completion of survey or offer, whereas paper download rates vary from 20 cents to $20 depending on downloader's country. Copyright content and pornography not allowed. Payout method: Payoneer, Bitcoin, PayPal, cryptocurrency. Minimum payout $50. Indishare.org. Indishare is another file-sharing website that offers a paper download program. Indishare has a remote backup/online storage, downloading, and uploading tool. You can host all types of files except pornography, offensive material, copyrighted material. Indishare has paper download program where you can make money sharing your files with anybody. Some PPD websites don't allow uploading videos. However, Indishare allows video uploading, so if you are working on songs and movie download site, you can consider Indishare.org. It offers a fast download speed. Same as other PPD networks, it provides an opportunity to make money online with the Indishare paper download program. You can make up to $10 per 10,000 downloads with them. There's no restriction for any country. Download from any country will be counted. You can expect somewhere around $2 to $10 per 10,000 downloads depending upon the country. However, no pornography and copyright content upload allowed. Minimum payout is $10, payment on 20th every month. Payment through bank transfer, Bcash, Payza, PayPal, Neteller. Dlupload. https://dlupload.com/ It's a Nepal-based paper download network. It provides file hosting, cloud storage, file synchronization. You can upload your files to this site and can make money from it. Every user gets 250 gigabytes of free storage. In 24 hours, max downloads count only 2 times from the same IP address. Minimum payout $5, payments done on Sundays every week. Payment methods: WebMoney, Bitcoin, PayPal, Pay. Referral program -15% plus 0.01 sign-up bonus. CPA Grip. CPA Grip is a PPD and CPA affiliate network. It provides monetization tools and performance networks to webmasters, app developers and content publishers. CPA Grip provides tools like Content Locker. With a Content Locker, you can monetize your content. You can lock your content until the visitor performs the required action to access the locked content. URL and File Download Locker. You can lock any online media. If your user wants to download a file, he has to complete incentive offers like complete a survey or download an app. Video Locker. Through Video Locker, you can place the overlay on your video. If a user wants to watch video content, he must complete a survey or any other incentive offer. Offer Walls. You can show geo-targeted offers to your visitors on the offer wall. You can offer reward points or virtual currency in exchange for task completion. Payout method: ACH, PayPal, wire transfer, Payza, Western Union, Payoneer. Referral program -5%. AdSend Media. Started in 2009, AdSend Media is a content locking network. It's a reward-based ads solution. It offers videos, surveys and offers walls. It pays when the user engages with offered content like videos, surveys and downloading an app. You can lock your content until the user completes some task like watch a video, complete a survey, or download an app. It offers quality leads to advertisers and provides a high payout to the publisher. You can earn up to $90 CPM, which is very high. Minimum payout $50. Payment method: PayPal, wire transfer, check, ACH. Referral program 3%. AdWork Media. AdWork Media is pay-per-download affiliate and content locking network. It provides money-making tools you can use on your apps, site, or any other content. They have tools like the Content Locker, Product Locker, Global Traffic Monetizer, Offer Walls. You can monetize apps, download links, articles, parked domains with AdWork Media. AdWork Media has over 2,500 plus high-converting affiliate campaigns to easily monetize traffic from any country. They have affiliate campaigns like email submit, downloads, surveys, mobile SMS/pins, trials, etc. They can monetize any traffic. AdWork Media have top offers that convert easily. Payout method: PayPal, check, ACH, wire transfer, Payza, Western Union. Minimum payout $35. Referral program is 3%. Upload.io. Upload.io pays per 1,000 downloads. You can expect somewhere between $2 to $11 per 1,000 downloads depending upon the downloader's country. What is best about Upload.io that they don't put pop under and pop ads on their website, which improves user experience. They show Google Ads to the downloader. You can upload APK, PDF, docs, software, or other files like videos, Flash and music. Every account gets 100 GB of free storage. Minimum payout $5 for PayPal. Payment method: PayPal. Referral program 10%. Thanks for view my video. So please like and subscribe my channel.